If you want to see how I made these awesome $3 Dollar Tree DIY end tables for summer 2020, or if you missed my recent DIYs, my Lady Lounge outdoor summer patio makeover, 3-week makeover, or if you want to see me roast myself, then keep watching. Bad mama jammas.
Bad mama jammas.
I figured, you know what?
You know what I mean?
I definitely am.
Bad mama jammas.
If I'm living for this.
I'm living for this.
You know what I mean?
You know if
You know what I mean?
It like definitely, or, simple as, you know what I mean? I don't even know what you call it. Or, simple as,
You know what I mean?
I don't even know it.
What is that called?
I'm living for this.
I'm living for this.
I'm living for this.
Bad mama jammas.
Bad mama jammas.
Welcome to Mo Does DIYs. I hope that made you laugh today. That was my purpose, is to make you laugh in spite of my idiotic self. And so let's get to it. So these are the products that I use for this video. 2 pots each and 1 pizza tray. Now I decided to spray the green one in spray paint, and the only one that I had enough to do was the white. So that's what I had to do because, times are tough right now and we can't just go out to the store as easy as we used to. So I spray painted it and I let it dry. All right, now these are the paints that I use for this video. This is also the color paints that I use to paint my vases from the Dollar Tree. Pretty much just whites and grays and, like that grayish color. And then these are these awesome vase thingies I found from the Dollar Tree yesterday. I went and found these and I just really love the texture and pattern to them. Kind of like a shabby chic kind of a look. So I just painted them white. I also got this other one and it has like a sideways like twirl to it. Look how pretty that is. And taking the top off, I just painted this white as well. Never mind my chocolate salty balls in the corner. That was a fail. And so whatever, my board literally split in half. So never mind that project on the left because that was an epic fail. And so once these were dry, I just went over them with that brush with paint on it sideways. And I had so much fun doing this, and this is so easy and it's really beautiful. And I think this is really pretty. Like, I love it. I just love doing this method. I think it's so fun. I'm almost going to kind of call it my signature because I've been doing this for a while and I love doing this. But it's such an easy way to get like a really pretty, farmhouse kind of a look. I don't even know if this isn't farmhouse. This is like, I don't even know. I added twine, so it's like shabby chic, I guess. It has been raining for days here. Yesterday it was even snowing at one point. It was like a blizzard, and seriously, when I was on Gratiot, I could hardly even see and my wipers were all the way up. I was like, what the heck? I'm literally living for this Tiki god. Like, this is a cup, and so I just painted it in my smoked pearl, which is just a grayish, so but you could use any color you like. And so I just love sharing this idea because it's so fun, and once you paint it, watch this. Doesn't even look like a cup anymore. It's so freaking cute. And so I just let it dry before I was going to move on to the next step. I had originally painted my pizza tray in white and then I just didn't like it. And so, that's okay. You can always start over. And so I painted it in the smoked pearl because I just thought it would look better with the white bottom. So I just kind of wanted mine to have some texture. And so I just was kind of slapping it on, like, because I didn't want it to look like a pizza pan anymore. So I wanted it to have like a really bumpy texture. And then just while I was letting everything dry, I was ready to kind of move on to these pots. What's really helpful for me is to use E6000 in a combination with hot glue. It holds better. I kind of can't get over how fun this was to do and how easy it was to do. Like, You know, DIYs don't have to take 48 hours or be super extravagant to be beautiful. You know, try some new things today. You know, do something bright, fun, and colorful. And I always like to try new things, because if I do the same stuff over and over again, I might die of boredom. Alright, I'm going to show you how I finished up the Tiki God. All I did was took my white chalk paint and rubbed him sideways. And don't worry about things being perfect, because things do not have to be perfect. When things are a little bit too perfect, I don't know, they just look a little boring to me. So I feel like things kind of, I like when you have like a little streak of paint on the side, you know, like that farmhouse look like you see all over, you know, like it's supposed to look that way. So don't worry if you know, get a little mess on the side, and, you know, just have fun with it. How amazing is this? Isn't that freaking incredible? It's a cup, but now it looks like a Tiki God, and it's going to be a planter, and I'm obsessed. And so I was just finishing up these two, just kind of giving it a little white look, just to kind of give it like a shabby chic kind of a look, and just like a really modern farmhouse, almost like a boho look, because I added the, you know, the twine. So I'm just going to shut up, and we're going to finish these up. Basically, I just hot glued it all together using E6000 and some hot glue, baby, and she was done. These are amazing. These are so fun. This took maybe a half hour total to do the entire video, besides editing and waiting for things to dry and settle overnight. You know what I mean? But these are incredible, and I just like showing that you don't need to spend 3 days to get a really fun and unique, colorful, happy, cheery, you know, fun decor. To finish everything off, I wrapped it in the Dollar Tree nautical rope with some hot glue. Putting my nautical rope around my Tiki God and my vases, and then I was ready to put it all together. And yes, I picked his nose. And now let's show you the finale. Let's show you it all together. And these are going to be perfect height for next to my chairs out in my lady lounge. And I absolutely love them. And these tables cost me $3 to make, and this entire video cost me what, maybe $10? 1 2 3 4 5 6, I mean, I can't even count at this point. $10. Amazing end tables and decor, and I love it. So if you like this video, then smash that like button for me. Make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my videos, because I drop them daily. So anyways, have one comment in my DIY playlist. That way you can be eligible for my $40 Visa gift card giveaway dropping this Saturday. And that will be the last giveaway for this month. And then I will do one next month all over again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. And now I'm going to finally get to these comments. Sorry, I've just been really busy. My son had a really hard day yesterday. We found out some really bad news. My husband has to go back to work next Friday, and we're terrified. And so, also, I slept a lot yesterday. So I will get back to all the comments. I'm sorry. I didn't want to answer one and then ignore everyone else. And I'm so tired. Like, having all these issues, health issues, has not been fun. So anyways, have a great day, and I'll see you later.